Hello everyone, I'm Martin from my house. Today I'm very excited to show you a huge 4-room HDB right here at Tampines East, within walking distance to MRT as well as walking distance to amenities, with 2 primary school and 3 secondary school within 1 km. In this market today, having a 4-room HDB above 1,000 square feet is super rare, and this unit has a super functional layout, rectangular with 3 rooms, 2 bathrooms, 1 storeroom and even a very sizable yard. And there are no wasted space at all. And let's go check it out. Welcome to the unit, 1,087 square feet 4-room HDB with 3 large bedroom, 2 bathroom, a storeroom and a squarish huge yard. Welcome to the living area. You have a very large landscape layout combining the living and the dining area. So total length of 8.5 meters. Okay, over at the living area here, you can actually comfortably fit a 3-seater sofa and also fit a 65-inch TV. Welcome to the dining area. So it's actually separated from the living area with a movable cabinet. So if you prefer a larger looking space, you can actually remove this cabinet and make the whole space look bigger. For the dining area itself, you can comfortably fit up to a 6-seater dining table. A fully enclosable kitchen with lots of countertop space for you to prepare your food and a gas stove, and we also have a storeroom over here. A very sizable common bathroom for your toileting and showering needs. Super rare to have this huge, spacious, squarish yard for you to hang your clothes or even just chill here and have your coffee and tea. The other amazing thing about this unit is that there are no inbuilt in the living dining area as well as the bedrooms. Second common room, squarish and very functional, and aircon also newly set up with no inbuilt at all. And the third common room is also as spacious as the master. You have the aircon done up, lights done up, and there's no inbuilt as well. And this squarish layout makes it very usable. Welcome to the super sizable master bedroom. As mentioned, there are no inbuilt in this room, and you can see that the aircon for the 3 rooms are all recently done up and installed only in 2023. You can fit a king-size bed, a side table, no problem at all. A good-sized master bath for your toileting and showering needs. If you fancy living in the east within walkable distance to MRT inside a 1,087 square feet super sizable HDB 4-room, remember to contact me, Martin, from my house at 91278681, and I'll be happy to show you.